So am I supposed to say something? When you start a race, it's very exciting because you're in close with everybody, you're going very slowly, you see the green flag, and everybody's looking for a hole to go through. I originally got involved in racing when I was in college. We had a car that we ran in the Trans Am series. Had no business being there because we were just a bunch of college students. So as a race photographer and a racer, it allows me to know where the cars are going to be at their limits so I can try and get good shots while they're sliding around. I've shot through chain link fences to get the perfect shot. 2 years ago, I had a media pass and got to photograph one of the most exciting 24-hour races in the world. It's the biggest endurance race that's out there. It's where all the automotive technology gets tested. It's where cars are pushed to their limit for 24 hours at a time. I was in the pits. I was up all night shooting photos in the dark. It was a great event. Hey there.
Good morning.
Good morning. Karen and I met 52 years ago at college, and I begged her to go out with me for months before she actually did. She and I have been working together as a team for 50 years. She used to be on the race team and go to the races with me, and her support has been invaluable.
Very good.
Well, that's perfect. I instruct police officers in performance driving and car control. And we were doing some pretty violent maneuvers in the car, and I just kind of felt funny. So I went to the doctor, and he said I had a heart murmur he could hear without the stethoscope.
He had no symptoms originally, but when we finally got word that he had the aortic stenosis, we were both very shocked.
I found out about TAVR originally from my primary care physician, and then subsequently from Dr. Internet. A race buddy of mine said, hurry up and get this done so I can keep kicking your butt on the racetrack. So the morning of the TAVR was very much like the morning of a big race day. I was nervous, I was ready to go and wanted to get it done.
It was not like getting ready for a race for me, but then when the doctors came back, everybody was smiling, and we were all very surprised, and it was such a short amount of time.
It was an immediate relief. It felt better. It was easier to breathe. I asked the doctor when I'd be able to race again. He looked at me and he said, 2 weeks. 2 weeks to the day after I had the procedure, I was photographing a race in Europe, and 2 weeks after that, I was driving my own race car.
To the folks at Edwards and the folks in me, I'm gonna cry. I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful to have him. And that he's healthy again, and that he's Joseph.
With heart valve failure, waiting is not winning. I've lived a big life. Thanks to TAVR, heart valve failure isn't how I go out.